to each and everyone. We are continuing with quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. Tomorrow, kindly make a note of the schedule. Kindly make a note of the schedule. There will be 3 to 4 sessions. Session 1 starts at 10 in the morning. Session 1, it is at 10 in the morning. Session 2, it is at 2 p.m. Session 3, it is at 6 p.m. 10 p.m., 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. 10, 2 and 6. 10 p.m., 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. If we have not completed tomorrow's schedule, we may have session number 4 at night 9:30. We may have session 4 at 9:30. This is tomorrow's schedule. Kindly make a note of it. Let us get into the problem solving. Now, see this question. What would be the sum of all the integral values of x for which x square plus 19x plus 92 would be a perfect square? Now see here, there is y, there is a quadratic expression x square plus 19x plus 92. What would be the values of integral values of x such that it is a perfect square? Any perfect square is of the form k square. So what you do is you multiply it by 4. 4x square plus 76x plus 368 equivalent to 4k square. This is nothing but 2x plus 19 whole square plus 7 equivalent to 2k whole square. This is nothing but 2k whole square minus of 2x plus 19 whole square equivalent to 7. This is nothing but 2k plus 2x plus 19 into 2k minus 2x minus 19 equivalent to 7 into 1. You cannot write it as 1 into 7. The reason behind is 2k plus 2x plus 19. 2k plus 2x plus 19 is greater than 2k minus 2x minus 19. So if I add both of them, 2k plus 2x plus 19, it is 7. 19, it is 17. 2k minus 2x minus 19, it is nothing but 1. So if I add it, this will get cancelled. 4k equivalent to 8, k will become 2. If k is becoming a 2, then this equation will become, if k is 2, x square plus 19x plus 92 equivalent to 4 plus 88 equivalent to 0. The roots are minus 8 and minus 11. Sum of both of them is minus 8 minus 11 is minus 19. I hope the idea is clear. Already we discussed in the integral solution, if the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of two factors. Idea is to get it as a product of two factors, otherwise I will get it a fraction. X plus 9 by 2 whole 19 by 2 whole square I will get. So idea is to make it everything avoiding fraction. I multiplied it by 4. So it is nothing but 2x plus 19 whole square plus 7 equivalent to 2k whole square. A square minus b square is 7. A plus b into a minus b is 7 into 1. This takes 7. This takes 1. 1 into 7 writing is mathematically incorrect because the first value is greater than the second value. K equivalent to 2. So answer is minus 8 minus 11. Addition is minus 19. Good question, sir. Question number 1. Please make a note. Question number 2. Question number 2. Now see here. Read the question. It is x cube plus 0 into x square minus 149x minus 33 equivalent to 0. So 0 into x square, that means sum of the roots taken one at a time, sum of the roots taken one at a time is nothing but 0. Sum of the roots, what are the roots for this equation given? A, B, C are the roots of the equation. Sum of the roots taken one at a time is 0. A plus B plus C is 0. That means A plus B will become minus C, or B plus C will become minus A, or C plus A will become minus B. Okay, this is the root cause of the problem. A plus B is minus C, B plus C is minus A, C plus A is minus B. Next is, what would be the equation of a 3-degree polynomial? What would be the equation? The roots are alpha is nothing but A plus B, beta is nothing but B plus C, gamma is nothing but C plus A. A plus B is nothing but minus C, B plus C is nothing but minus A, C plus A is nothing but minus B. Here the roots are A, B, C. Here the roots are minus A, minus B, minus C. A, B, C are the roots. Now it became minus A, minus B or minus C. That means if I replace, they are nothing but the right same value but opposite sign. Replace x with minus x. You will get a values with negative roots. Right? So x with minus x, it is nothing but minus x whole cube minus 149 into minus x minus 33 equivalent to 0, minus common x cube plus 149x plus 33 equivalent to 0, x cube plus 149x plus 33 equivalent to 0. What I did, why I replaced with x with minus x? A root became minus A, B root became minus B, C root became minus C. Same values are there, only the change in sign. So change in sign means instead of x, replace it with minus x. Why x is replaced by minus x? A with minus A, B with minus B, C with minus C. I hope the idea is clear. Wherever x is there, put minus x. What is the root cause of the problem? Sum of the roots taken one at a time, it is nothing but 0. Question number 2. I hope it is clear. Idea clear. Question number 2. Question number 3. It's an competitive examination question. Please write down a concept. Concept is 1 plus 1 by x power x always lies from 2 to 3. Why? Because this value is nothing but e. If I put it as limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 1 by x power x, it is nothing but e. X tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by x power 3. This is something which you don't require. It's a very higher order mathematics. So 1 plus 1 by x power x always lies from 2 to 3. Easily you can check if x equivalent to 1, 1 plus 1 by x power x, it is nothing but 2. Another thing, it is asking greatest integer function. Anyway, I will take a separate class for it. Greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. Greatest integer function is 3.1. 3.1. Just ignore everything after decimal. Ignore everything after decimal. Ignore everything after decimal. If I ignore everything after decimal, that is greatest integer function. 3.1 is 3. 3.99 is also 3. 3.001 is also 3. 3.5 is also 3. Greatest integer. What is the greatest integer? Equal or less than or equivalent to. This is nothing but, if you observe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 10 power 6 power 10 power 6. It always lies from 2 to 3. So the greatest integer is nothing but less than or equivalent to is 2. I hope it is clear. You will get some value E. E is 2.17 something. 2.17, if I omit decimal, it is nothing but 2. It is nothing but 2. Very, very important concept. 1 plus 1 by x power x always lies from 2 to 3. Greatest integer means ignore everything after dot. Whatever it is there after dot, ignore it. Question number 3. Answer is nothing but 2. I hope the idea is clear. Question number 4. Question number 4. Read the question, you will get the idea. If the roots of the equation differ by 3, equation is a minus 2 into x square minus a minus 4 into x minus 2 equivalent to 0. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is nothing but minus of minus a minus 4 by a minus 2. It is nothing but a minus 4 by a minus 2. Product of the roots, it is nothing but minus 2 by a minus 2. Equation differs by 3. Already I think we have solved this question. Alpha minus beta whole square is 9. This is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta equivalent to 9. Alpha plus beta is present here. Alpha plus beta is this one, and alpha beta is present here. Substitute it and you will get the answer. Alpha plus beta you know, alpha beta you know. Substitute and get the range for A. I hope the idea is clear. Same model we discussed in the previous question. Next, 5th one. This is an examination question. A, B, C are in harmonic progression. If A, B, C are in harmonic progression, B is nothing but 2AC by A plus C. B is nothing but 2AC by A plus C. These harmonic, B is called the harmonic mean. B is called the harmonic mean. A and C has got a different magnitude but same sign. That means if A is positive, C is positive. If A is negative, C is negative. That is the meaning. Then the roots of the equation, we don't know whether any of these condition. Ax square plus 2bx plus c. The best way to determine the nature of the roots is discriminant. If I use a discriminant, b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. This is nothing but 4b square minus 4ac. 4 is nothing but it is 2ac whole square by a plus c whole square minus 4ac. This is nothing but 4 into 4ac. If I take common, another 4ac will come. 4ac by a plus c whole square minus 1. This is nothing but 16ac. Can I say it is nothing but minus of a minus c whole square divided by a plus c whole square, because it is nothing but 4ac minus of a square plus c square plus 2ac. I hope it is clear. This is positive, this is positive, A is positive, C is positive. This is nothing but greater than or greater than 0. Greater than 0 is nothing but real. I hope it is clear. Greater than or equivalent to 0. We do not know. A could be equivalent to C. So discriminant greater than or equivalent to 0. I hope it is clear. A, B, C are in harmonic progression. B is 2AC by A plus C. Ax square plus b 2b plus 2bx plus c. Discriminant is greater than or equivalent to 0. 2b whole square minus 4ac. 4b square minus 4ac. 4 into, instead of b it is 2ac whole square by a plus c whole square. 2ac is 4a square c square, 4ac common, 4ac by a plus c whole square minus 1. So, these is nothing but square, these is nothing but square. Now, 1 minute, sir. I think there is a minus sign before, right? 1 minute. There is a minus sign before. 16ac into, or we will do this little again. This is nothing but 2b whole square minus 4ac. One sign change, entire answer will change, sir. 4b square minus 4ac. 4 into 2ac by a plus c whole square minus 4ac. These 2 into 4ac, if I take common, 4ac by a plus c whole square minus 1. These is nothing but 16ac into a plus c whole square. It is 4ac minus of a plus c whole square. These is nothing but 16ac into minus of a minus c whole square divided by a plus c whole square. Am I right? Minus a square minus 2ac is plus 2ac. This is square positive, negative is there here. So, if negative is there, d is less than 0, discriminant is less than 0, that means the roots are imaginary. Is anywhere it is mentioned that a and c are equal? No. So, d is less than 0. Here there is a negative sign, negative into positive, it is positive. D is positive, D is positive, D is positive. So, a plus c whole square not equivalent to 0, right? 16ac, but different magnitude, that means it has got a value. A is positive, C is positive, AC will be positive, A is negative, C is negative, AC will be positive. Magnitude it has got mentioned. Why I substituted B as 2AC by A plus C? Because ABC are in harmonic progression. ABC are in harmonic progression. Idea clear? Next one. If next, fourth, I think, which question it is? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth question. Sixth question, if the equation ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c has no real roots, that means it has got imaginary roots. It has got imaginary roots. If it has got imaginary roots, d is less than 0. Let me take an example of an imaginary root. X square minus 4x plus 13 equivalent to 0. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. It is minus 36, it is less than 0. D less than 0. A, that means A is 1, B is minus 4 and C is 13. Please see here, right? Has no real roots, A, B, C are real numbers, A is not equivalent to 0. A plus B plus C into C, which is nothing but 1 minus 4 plus 13 into 13, which is nothing but positive. So, answer is it is a positive value. Idea is to take an equation, right, where the D is nothing but discriminant. Take another random value that comes into your mind and check whether it is positive. It will be positive. I hope the idea is clear. Next, beautiful question, sir. Seventh question. Number of different real roots of x plus 4 power 8 power 4 and x plus 8 power 4 equivalent to 32. So, one term is a is x plus 4 and b is x plus 8. Take the average of a comma b. I will tell you why am I doing it. I can reduce my calculation, which is a plus b by 2, which is x plus 6, which is x plus 6. So, let x plus 6 equivalent to y. This is nothing but y minus 2 power 4. This is nothing but y plus 2 power 4 equivalent to 32. Y minus 2 power 4, which is nothing but 4c0 minus 4c1 into y cube into 2 plus 4c2 y square into 2 square minus 4c3 y power 1 into 2 plus 4c4 2 power 4. Y plus 2 power 4. What am I doing? I am doing x plus y power n. 4c0. It is y power 4, sir. Y power 4 plus 4c1 y cube into 2 plus 4c2 y square into 2 square plus 4c3 plus 4c3 y power 1 into 2 cube plus 4c4 2 power 4. If you observe, if I add both of them, all odd powers are out. This is out, this is out, this is out, this is out. What is left? This is left, this is left, this is left. So same value it is present here, same value it is present, same value it is present. I hope it is clear. So y minus 2 power 4 is 5 terms, y plus 2 power 4 is also 5 terms. So here it is nothing but let x plus 6 equivalent to y. This is nothing but y minus 2 power 4 plus y plus 2 power 4 equivalent to 32. This is nothing but 2 into 4c0 y power 4 4c2 y square 2 square 4c4 2 power 4. It is nothing but 32. I hope it is clear. NC0 4c0 is nothing but 1. 2 into y power 4. NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2. NC0 and NCn both are same. So it is nothing but 6 into 4, 24 y square plus 16 equivalent to 32. It is nothing but 32. 2 1s are 2 16s are. So it is nothing but y power 4 plus 24 y square. It is nothing but 16 and 16 both are cancelled. I hope it is clear. So y power 4, it is nothing but y square into y square plus 24. It is nothing but 0. That means y square equivalent to 0 or y square equivalent to minus 24. So y is nothing but 2 root 3 root 24 into I, which is nothing but root 24 is root 24 4 into 6 2 root 6i 2 root 6i y equivalent to 0. Again something else is there, that also we have to see. I hope the idea is clear. Y square into y square plus 24 equivalent to 0. Y value is 0 or minus 24. So y square, right? Now see here. See here. Here we will write y square into y square plus 24. It is nothing but 0. Y is nothing but x plus 6. Y is 0. So y square is 0. X plus 6 is 0. X is nothing but minus 6. Y square plus 24 equivalent to 0. Y square equivalent to minus 24. Y square equivalent to minus 1 into 24. Y equivalent to root 24 into I, which is nothing but 2 root 6i. So y will be plus or minus 2 root 6i. 2 root 6i. Here it is minus 6. Here it is minus 6. And another value what we got, if I take y common, that is nothing but, I hope it is clear, right? So what is the y common that we got? 2 into y power 4 we got plus 24y square we got plus how much we got? This is nothing but 2 power 4, 16 equivalent to 32 we got, I think. I think it is clear, right? So what are the roots? Minus 6 minus 6, 2 root 6i and minus 2 root 6i. Minus 2 root 6i. Number of different real roots are, answer is 2. Answer is 2. I hope it is clear, right? Take x plus 6 as a and then solve it. What is the next question? Next question is sum of all real roots. Minus 6 minus 6 plus 2 root 6i minus 2 root 6i. It is worth solving this question because multiple questions are there. Sum of our real roots. Minus 6 minus 6, which is nothing but minus 12. Next one. What is the minus 6 minus 6? 2 root 6i and minus 2 root 6i. Sum of all imaginary roots. Imaginary roots is nothing but 2 root 6i minus 2 root 6i. I hope the answer is clear, right? Next one. Product of all the roots. Minus 6 minus 6 plus 2 root 6i and minus 2 root 6i. Product is 36. 2 into minus 2 into 6 into I square into 1. I hope it is clear. Plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Root 6 into root 6, 6. I into I square. It is now. This is nothing but minus of 36 into 4 into 6 into minus 1. Whatever the value that you got it, that itself is the answer. So how much is the answer? Product of all, real roots only he is asking. Why am I doing all this? Minus 6 minus 6, 2 root 6i and minus 2 root 6i. Product of real roots is 36. Next one. Product of all imaginary roots of this one is minus 6, next is minus 6, 2 root 6i and 2 root minus 6i. Multiply this both, whatever the answer that you get. I hope it is clear, right? 2 root 6i into minus 2 root 6i, which is nothing but 4 into 6 into I square into minus 1. From there you will get the answer. Next one. I hope the idea is clear. Idea is clear, right? Now next one. Next one. Now write down quadratic expression. Quadratic expression graphs. Quadratic expression graphs. Quadratic expression graphs. Already I discussed, but I will repeat it again. Y is nothing but f of x. F of x is ax square plus bx plus c. Case number 1. A is greater than 0. Case 1a. D is greater than 0. X square minus 5x plus 6 equivalent to 0. X equivalent to 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. It will touch the axis. Here it will touch. Here it will touch. Write 2 comma 3. This is nothing but. This is alpha. This is beta. This is nothing but minus b by 2a and it is minus d by 4a. Minus d by 4a. Graph touches the axis at 2 points. Graph cuts the x-axis. Graph cuts the x-axis at 2 points. Graph cuts the x-axis at 2 points. Case 1a, I hope it is clear. X equivalent to 2 and x equivalent to 3. So y will have minimum at minus d by 4a at x equivalent to minus b by 2a. I hope it is clear. Case 1b. Case 1b. D equivalent to 0. If the discriminant is equivalent to 0, x square minus 4x plus 4 equivalent to 0, x is 2 comma 2. Graph touch the x-axis only at one point, that is alpha, that is beta, and it is minus b by 2a minus 2 by 4a. Graph touches the axis. Very, very important, sir. Graph touches the axis. Graph touches the x-axis at one point. Graph touches the x-axis at only one point. At only one point. Case 1 we are doing when a is greater than 0. A is greater than 0. 1a, d greater than 0. 1b, d is equivalent to 0. Similarly, case 1c, then we will conclude it. Case 1c, which is d less than 0. If it is x square minus 4x plus 13 equivalent to 0, graph cannot touch the axis, the graph will be above. The graph will be above. If the graph is like this, if the graph is like this, if the graph is like this, positive, positive, y is positive, x positive, y positive, x negative, y positive, y is positive, negative, positive. Any graph above the x-axis, if the graph is above the x-axis, if the graph is above the x-axis, y will be greater than 0. Y will be greater than 0. Extremely important point. Any quadratic expression, ax square plus bx plus c, it is greater than 0. It is greater than 0 if a is greater than 0 and d is less than 0. Please write down. A quadratic expression, when will be a quadratic expression be greater than 0? A quadratic expression will be greater than 0 only if a is greater than 0 and d is less than 0. Ax square plus bx plus c, the quadratic expression will be greater than 0 only if a greater than 0 and d less than 0. I hope the concept is clear. Case 2, a is less than 0. So, case 2a, d is greater than 0. You can take some values and you can do it. The graph will be an inverted parabola. These minimum or maximum value does not changes depending upon a, either it will be minimum or maximum. Case 2b, d is equivalent to 0. The graph will be like this. It touches. It is alpha, it is beta, minus b by 2a, minus d by 4a. Case 2c, d is less than 0. The graph will be down. Positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative. The graph can also be like this. The graph can also be like this. If the graph is below the x-axis, then y will be less than 0. Then y will be less than 0. Then y will be less than 0. How to? Just by looking at the graph, we can tell whether d is greater than 0, d equivalent to 0 or d less than 0. D greater than 0 means it will touch the axis at 2 points. D equivalent to 0 means it touches at 1 point. D less than 0 means the graph will never touch the axis. The graph will never touch the axis. Please write down some important key points. Important key points. Ax square plus bx plus c, it is greater than 0 only if A is greater than 0 and D is less than 0. D has to be less than 0. Ax square plus bx plus c less than 0 only if A is less than 0 and D is less than 0. D is greater than 0. Graph touches the axis at 2 points. Graph touches the x-axis at 2 points. At 2 points. D equivalent to 0. D equivalent to 0. The graph touches the x-axis at 1 point. At 1 point. D less than 0. The graph touches the, does not touch the x-axis. Does not touch the axis. Please make a note of these important points, sir. Next, all the problems are based on very important. See here, sir, expression will be greater than 0 only if A greater than 0. In both the cases, D will be less than 0. Expression is less than 0 only if less than 0. If discriminant is greater than 0, graph touches the axis at 2 points. D equivalent to 0 at 1 point. D less than 0, it does not touch the axis. I hope this is clear. With these key points, we will solve as many problems as possible. Find the maximum and minimum value of the expression. This is nothing but x square plus 10x plus 29. This is nothing but x plus 5 whole square plus 4. So x plus y whole square it is greater than 0. Y minimum will be 4 at x plus y equivalent to 0. That is x equivalent to minus 5. That is x equivalent to minus 5. X square plus 10x plus 29. Y minimum will be 4. This is method 1. Method 2. Method 2. This is x square plus 10x plus 29. This is y minimum. Y minimum will be at the rate x equivalent to minus b by 2a, which is minus 10 by 2, which is nothing but minus 5. What is that y minimum value? Substitute that x into that expression. Minus 5 plus 29. This 25 plus 29 minus 50. Answer is nothing but 4. Right? Method 1 or method 2. You can do it at any method that is possible. Still you will get the same answer. So, y is nothing but 2x square plus 5x plus 7. A is 2. A is 2 means it is greater than 0. I can only determine y minimum at x equivalent to minus b by 2a, which is nothing but minus 5 by 2 into 2, which is nothing but minus 5 by 4. So 2 into minus 5 by 4 square plus 5 into minus 5 by 4 plus 7. Whatever the answer that you get, that is nothing but the y minimum. At x minimum, I will get y minimum. What is y maximum? Y maximum will shoot up to plus infinity because the graph is going upwards. You can only determine the minimum. You can only determine the minimum. I hope the idea is clear. Here also, a is 1 greater than 0. Y minimum is nothing but 4. Maximum is shooting up to infinite. Plus infinite. The graph is going upwards because a is greater than 0. A is greater than 0. I hope the idea is clear. Now, if the expression is like this, put x cube equivalent to a. It is nothing but a into a plus 1 into a plus 2 into a plus 3. This is nothing but a square plus 3a into a square plus 3a plus 2. If I call these as p, this is nothing but p. This is nothing but p into p plus 2. Here it is nothing but p square plus 2p plus 1 and minus 1. These minus 1 plus p p plus 1 square. Square function will be greater than or equivalent to 0. Y minimum will be minus 1 at p plus 1 equivalent to 0. Some value you will get it. Some value you will get it. What is y maximum? Y maximum is nothing but plus infinite. What we have done? First and fourth, second and third. First and fourth and second and third. A square plus 3a into a square plus 3a plus 2. P into p plus 2. So p square plus 2p plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 plus positive number. Y minimum will be minus 1. I hope the idea is clear. Same idea. Try to convert it into a quadratic function. This is nothing but x plus 1 into x plus 4 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. This is nothing but x square plus 5x plus 4 into x square plus 5x plus 6. So these is nothing but, if I call it as a, this will be a plus 2. So y will be a square plus 2a minus 1 plus 1. This is nothing but minus 1 of a plus 1 whole square. Y minimum will be minus 1. Y minimum will be minus 1. Idea is to convert into a quadratic format by taking these entire values common. Right? Now, y is nothing but 8 minus 4x minus x square. A is nothing but minus 1 less than 0. The graph will be like this. So, maximum value will be, y maximum will be at the rate x equivalent to minus b by 2a minus of b is minus 4, 2 into a, which is nothing but 2 at x, at the rate x equivalent to 2. 8 minus 4 into 2 minus 2 square, which is nothing but minus 4. So y maximum value is minus 4. The graph is coming downwards. So minimum will be minus infinite. Minimum will be minus infinite. I hope the idea is clear. Very, very important topic, sir. Very, very important topic. A is minus 7 less than 0. The graph will be down. Y maximum will be at the rate x equivalent to minus b by 2a, which is minus 2 by 2 into minus 7, which is nothing but 1 by 7. So minus 7 into 1 by 7 square plus 2 into 1 by 7 plus 5. I hope it is clear. Y minimum will be minus infinite. Y minimum will be minus infinite. Like that, you can solve a lot of problems, sir. X square plus a square plus 2 into x plus a square minus 5a, 5 minus 1 plus 4 equivalent to 0 has opposite sign roots. Alpha beta equivalent to c by a. If this is positive, this will be negative. This is negative, this will be positive. So alpha beta will be negative. Alpha beta is negative. A is nothing but 1 greater than 0. That means C should be less than 0. Opposite sign roots means product of the roots is less than 0. That means negative. Denominator is positive. So these nothing but a square minus 5a plus 4 less than 0. A minus 1 into a minus 4 less than 0. 1 less than a less than 4. 1 less than a less than 4. Idea is clear, right? 1 less than a less than 4. Now see here. Now see. Very, very important way of looking at graphs. First one, y equivalent to x square. Y equivalent to x square. Let us draw a table. X is 0, y is 0. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y will become 4. X is 3, y will become 9, and so on. X is minus 1, y will become 1. X is minus 2, y will become 4, and so on and so on. if I draw the graphs, now see here, x is 0, y is 0, x is 1, y is 1, x is 2, y is 4, x is 3, y is 1, x is minus 1, y is 1, x is minus 2. I hope you can see, you will get a U shape. You will get a U shape. This is nothing but y equivalent to x square. I hope it is clear. Y equivalent to x square. If x is positive, y will be positive. If x is negative, negative square y will be positive. So only first two quadrants only I will get it. Just plot a few lines, you will get it. Can I say that this is the graph for y equivalent to x square? Y equivalent to x square. Similarly, y equivalent to minus x square. Y equivalent to minus x square. Now see here, morning I discussed, if x square is nothing but y, if x square is nothing but y, minus x square is nothing but minus y. Am I right? If this is x square equivalent to y from here, right? So what is happening now? First we will see by using method 1, tabular chart. This is x and it is y. X is 0, y is 0. X is 1, y will be minus 1. X is 2, y will be 4, and so on. X is minus 1, this still it is nothing but minus 1. X is minus 2, minus 2 square is 4, it is nothing but minus 4. So the diagram will be, listen carefully sir, listen carefully. X is 0, y is 0. X is 1, x is 1. This is nothing but x positive axis. X is 1, y is minus 1. Positive, positive. Negative, positive. Negative, negative. Positive, negative. X is 1, these like this, these like this, these like this. X is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. The graph will be like this. Now if you see, if I consider it as x-axis, this is nothing but the reflection along x-axis for y equivalent to x square. Are you all with me? Reflection along x-axis means y becomes minus y. X square became minus y. This is the graph for y equivalent to x square, and the next one is the graph for y equivalent to minus x square. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Listen carefully, sir. Y equivalent to x square. The graph is like this. The graph is like this. Y equivalent to x minus 5 whole square. X minus 5 whole square. So nothing, the graph will be like that only. Instead of x 0, x minus 5 is 0. The graph will be like this. The graph is not drawn to the scale. I hope it is clear. It is a free diagram, or otherwise let me draw it approximately. Right, it is y equivalent to x minus 5. If it is y equivalent to x plus 5 whole square, x plus 5 whole square, that means at x equivalent to minus 5. Are you all with me? Minus 5, it is 0. At minus 5, it is 0. Idea clear? Right? Fourth one, third one. Once you understand it is clear, y equivalent to minus x square, the graph is like this. Y equivalent to minus of x minus 5 square, the graph is x equivalent to, the graph is like this. I hope it is clear. Y equivalent to minus of x plus 5 whole square, at x equivalent to minus 5, the graph will be there. Is it clear? Here it is at x point 0. Here the x point is 5. That's all. The graph is shifted to the right hand side by 5 units. Third one, the graph is shifted to the left hand side by 5 units. Y equivalent to minus x square. The graph is inverted. Y equivalent to minus of x minus 5 square. Graph is inverted, shifted to the right hand side, shifted to the left hand side. I hope the idea is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you understand the behavior of the graph, then all the other questions are pretty easy, sir. Now see, y equivalent to x square. The graph is like this. Y equivalent to x minus 5 square. The graph is like this. Right? Y equivalent to x minus 5 whole square plus 3. Plus 3. That means if x equivalent to 5, 5 minus 5 square, 0 plus 3, 3. 3 means it goes. This is 5 comma 3. X minus 5 means it shifts to the right hand side by 5 units. X minus 5 square plus 3 means it shifts to the top by 3 units. I hope the idea is clear. Draw the graph for y x minus 4 square plus 7. That means at x equivalent to 4, y minimum will be 7. I hope right now you understood. X is 4. The graph will be like this. I hope the idea is clear. Just by looking at seeing the graph only, you can tell all the values, right? You can tell that this graph, approximately the behavior of the graph is like this. X minus 4 square means it will not touch the axis. It will be 7 units above the x-axis. It will be 4 units to the right of the y-axis. Like that, you can draw a lot of conclusions. This is 5 comma 0. This is 0 comma 0. This is 5 comma 3. This is 4 comma 7. I hope the idea is clear. Now see, this it is done. All can be drawn once you understand the concept. All can be drawn with concept, with conceptual clarity. Easily, just by looking at the question, y is x minus 5 square, 5 comma 0. Y is x plus 5 square minus 5 comma 0. Y is minus x of these 5 comma 0. Are you all with me? Y is minus of x plus 5. These like this. Just by looking at drawing the graph only, you can come to know. This is a take home for you. What will be that value? Y equivalent to x square. This is like this. Like this. Y equivalent to 3x square. Simple point. First I will draw the table. X is 0, y is 0. X is 1, y is 3. X is 2, 9 3s are 27. So the graph will be like that only. X is 1, y is 3. X is 2, y is 9. X is minus 1, it is 1. X is minus 2, it is 12. I hope it is clear. 3x square means, right, depending upon the values, the graph will grow. Y equivalent to x square by 3. Just do divide by 3. Y equivalent to minus x square. It is a reflection along x. Y is becoming minus y. It is along x-axis. It is along x-axis. It is along x-axis. I hope you can draw the diagram. Just substitute the values. 2-3 points you can see the graph. I hope graph for y equivalent to x square is clear to you. These also done. These also done. Done. All are over. Next one. Graph the equation y equivalent to x square minus 7x plus 6. Y is x square minus 7x plus 6. A is 1 greater than 0, B square minus 4AC, 4 into 1 into 6, D is 4 greater than 0. It will touch the axis at two critical points, and the critical points are x minus 1 into x minus 6 is 0, x will be 1 comma 6. This is the graph. Find the vertex. This is nothing but 1 comma 0. This is nothing but 6 comma 0. This is the mean of that value 3.5. Substitute it minus d by 4a. I hope right now it is clear to you. Now we will do some sample questions. Now let f of x is y is 5x square minus 4x plus 8 divided by x square plus 1. X square y plus y equivalent to 5x square minus 4x plus 8, x square into y minus 5 plus y plus 4x minus 8 equivalent to, let me write this equation again. This is nothing but x square y plus y, 5x square minus 4x plus 8. So x square into y minus 5 plus 4x plus y minus 8 equivalent to 0. Is it clear? X square y plus y equivalent to 5x square minus 4x plus 5. This is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c equivalent to 0. It is for all real numbers. Discriminant should be greater than or equivalent to 0. So it is nothing but b square minus 4ac, 4 into y minus 5 into y minus 8 greater than or equivalent to 0. 4 into 4 minus of y minus 5 into y minus 8 greater than or equivalent to 0. These out. So y minus 5 into y minus 8 minus 4 is less than or equivalent to 0. Y square minus 13y plus 36 less than or equivalent to 0. 36 roots are 9 and 4. Y square 9 minus 9y minus 4y plus 36 greater than or equivalent to 0. So the range of y is y minus 4 into y minus 9 less than or equivalent to 0. So answer is 4 less than or equivalent to y less than or equivalent to 9. So what is the range of this function? Range of this function is 4 less than or equivalent to y less than or equivalent to 9. 4x square minus 4x plus 8 divided by x square plus 1, cross multiply x square minus into y minus 5 plus 4x plus y minus 8. Discriminant greater than or equivalent to 0. I hope the idea is clear. Why I used this d greater than or equivalent to 0? Why? Because it is a real number. Next one. Find the range of all the real values. Real means discriminant greater than or equivalent to 0. X square minus 4x plus 9y square plus 3 equivalent to 0. It is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c equivalent to 0. Discriminant is greater than or equivalent to 0. That means b square minus 4ac greater than or equivalent to 0. This is nothing but b square minus 4 into 9 into 9y square plus 3 greater than or equivalent to 0. This is 16, 4 common, 4 minus of 9y square plus 3 greater than or equivalent to 0. 4 is anyway greater than 0. So if I subtract it with negative 9y square plus 3 minus 4 less than or equivalent to 0. 9y square minus 1 less than or equivalent to 0. 3y minus 1 into 3y plus 1 less than or equivalent to 0. So the range of y is minus 1 by 3 to plus 1 by 3. minus 1 by 3 to plus 1 by 3. Because it is given that it is the real value of x, discriminant is greater than or equivalent to 0. Discriminant is greater than or equivalent to 0. Another question, y is 6x square minus 18x plus 21 divided by 6x square minus 18x plus 17. These are nothing but 1 plus 4 by 6x square minus 18x plus 17. If it is y minimum, this constant, this should be maximum. A is nothing but 6 greater than 0. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. 324, it is less than 0. A greater than 0, d less than 0. Graph is growing upwards. Minimum only we can determine minus b by 2a minus d by 4a. Minimum we can determine, maximum it is shooting up to infinite. So the value of maximum is infinite. So 1 plus 4 by infinite, 1 by infinite tends to 0. So y minimum value is nothing but 1. Y minimum value is nothing but 1. 1 plus 4 by 6x square minus 18x plus 17. A is 6, which is greater than 0. D is less than 0. If it is less than 0, the graph is shooting upwards. Minimum you can determine, maximum it is shooting up to infinite. 1 plus 4 by infinite. 1 by infinite tends to 0. I hope the idea is clear. Y is x square plus k minus 1 into x plus 9. This is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c. It lies above x-axis. Whether it lies like this, whether it lies like this, whether it lies like this. X positive, y positive. X negative, y positive. So this will be greater than 0. The expression will be greater than 0. When it will be greater than 0? When a is greater than 0 and d is less than 0. A is greater than 0 and d is less than 0. 1 is greater than 0. B square minus 4ac less than 0. This is k minus 1 square minus 6 square less than 0. K minus 1 plus 6 into k minus 1 minus 6. It is less than 0. So answer is minus 5 less than k less than 7. The range of k lies from minus 5 to 7. I told you, if the graph is lying above the x-axis, the expression will be greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, condition will be a greater than 0 and d less than 0. A greater than 0 and d less than 0. Find the range of x. X square minus 4x plus 3 divided by x square plus x plus 1 less than 0. Please do not cross multiply. A by b less than 0. Two cases will come. A positive, b negative. A positive, b negative, or a negative, b positive. A negative, b positive. Any case might come, but there is a hint in the question. If I take this value, x square plus x plus 1, a is 1 greater than 0. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. 1 minus 4 minus 3. It is less than 0. If a is greater than 0 and d is less than 0, the expression will be greater than 0. X square plus x plus 1 will be greater than 0. If this is positive, if the denominator is positive, numerator will be negative. That is how we concluded that x square minus 4x plus 3, it is less than 0. X minus 1 into x minus 3 less than 0. That means 1 less than x less than 3. That means 1 less than x less than 3. I hope everything is clear to you. Next question. how many integers are there such that the expression 9x square plus 3ax plus a plus 5, it is greater than 0. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0. It is only greater than 0 if a is greater than 0 and d is less than 0. Expression is greater than 0 if a is greater than 0 and d is less than 0. Discriminant less than 0, b square minus 4ac. 4 into 9 into a plus 5, it is less than 0. 9 if I take common, a square minus 4a minus 20 minus, 9 if I take, right. This is nothing but 3a square minus 4 into 9 into. So, this is nothing but, this is 9a square minus 9 into 4a plus 20 less than 0. A square minus 4a minus 20 less than 0. Whatever the values that you will get, a square minus 4a minus 20 less than 0, a square minus 4a less than 20, a square minus 4a plus 4 less than 24, a minus 2 square less than 24. That means minus root 24 less than a minus 2 less than root 24. Whatever the integers that lie between these two values, less than a, less than root 24 plus 2. So, it is nothing but it is minus 4.47 whole square is 2209, 48, 49. So, it is minus 4.9 plus 2 less than a, less than 4.9 plus 2. So, here it is nothing but minus 2.9 less than a, less than 6.9. So, what are all the values I will get? Minus 1 to 6 I will get. I hope the idea is clear. A quadratic expression will be greater than 0 only if a is greater than 0 and d is less than 0. Only if a is greater than 0 and d is less than 0. I used the conditions. I am not able to factorize it, so I used this value. Why? Because you are getting a discriminant, not a perfect square. I hope the idea is clear. Next one. P of x is nothing but 2x square plus 8x plus 8x minus 27. Find all the real values of x such that x is such that p of x is greater than 0. If p of x is greater than 0, d will be less than 0. D, is it less than 0? Just check. A square minus 4 into 2 into minus 27. Minus 27. This is nothing but 64 plus 216, which is 280. There are no real values of x. For p of x greater than 0, a should be greater than 0 and d should be less than 0. D is not less than 0. 64 plus 16. Answer is no real values of x. No real values of x will make, right? Suppose if I take 1 minute, sir. Two x square plus 8x minus 27. If I take x value 5, 5 square 25, 25 2s are 50, 50 plus 40. Yes, no real values of x, right? So I just checked by using some random values. Next one, find all the real values of k such that x square minus 6x plus k minus 17 is greater than 0. Ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0, a is greater than 0 and d is less than 0, b square minus 4 into kc, k minus 17 less than 0, 36 minus 4k plus 68 less than 0, 84 is less than 4k, 4k is greater than 84, k will be greater than 21. Find all the real values of k. For all values k greater than 21, k greater than 21, it will be possible. Suppose if I take k 21, it is nothing but x square plus minus 7x plus 5 greater than 0, x minus y, x minus 5 is greater than 0, right? If k is k equivalent to 21, write x minus 1 into x minus 5, at x equivalent to 1 it will be 0, at x equivalent to 5 it will be 0. So I cross checked it. I hope it is clear. Entire equation is based on, concepts are based on these values. Next one, I will not solve this, I will give you an idea. 9x square plus 3ax plus a plus 5 greater than 0. A is 9 greater than 0. Discriminant will be less than 0. So which is nothing but b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Find the range of a. I hope you understood the concept. Next one, let x be a real number. How many integral values will not satisfy the equation? Y is nothing but x square plus 3x plus 1 by x square minus 3x plus 1. This is nothing but x square minus 3x plus 1 plus 6x divided by x square minus 3x plus 1. This is nothing but 1 plus 6 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x. Can I write like this? X plus 1 by x is greater than or equivalent to 2 for x greater than 0. X plus 1 by x is less than or equivalent to minus 2 if x less than 0. Any real number greater than 0 variable and its reciprocal. So 1 plus 6 by x plus 1 by x, if I take 2, 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. So it is nothing but 1 plus 6 by minus 1. This is nothing but 1 minus 6, which is minus 5. If I take 1 plus 6 by minus 2 minus 3, which is 1 plus 6 by minus 2 minus 3, it is nothing but, I think here it is x plus 1 by x. Somewhere I think we did a mistake. X square minus 3x plus 1 plus 6x. Now see here, till here it is clear. Till here it is perfect. 1 by 1 plus, here I am writing it like this. If I write like this, till here it is clear. 1 plus 6x by xx cancel, minus 3 plus 1 by x. So y will be 1 plus 6 by x plus 1 by x 2, 2 by minus 3. 1 plus 6 by minus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 1 minus 6, which is minus 5. These 1 plus 6 by minus 5, which is nothing but 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 less than minus 1 by 5 less than or equivalent to y less than or equivalent to 1 by 5, y will be real. So minus 5 to 1 by 5. How many values it is possible? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. These are all the values that will be possible. I hope it is clear. This is method number 1. If you are comfortable with variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is 2 if the variable greater than 0, maximum value is minus 2 if it is less than 0. I hope the idea it is clear. In case if you are not comfortable with this method, you can use another method. Y is nothing but x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x square minus 3x plus 1. X square y minus 3xy plus y equivalent to x square plus 3x plus 1 x square into y minus 1. This is nothing but plus x into minus 3y minus 1 x into minus 3y minus 3. Am I right? Minus 3xy, it is plus 3. Plus 3x if it comes, it becomes minus 3. I hope you are all, I think we will write it again. We will write it so that we will not do any silly mistakes. This is nothing but x square y minus x square minus 3xy minus 3x plus y minus 1 equivalent to 0. X square into y minus 1. This is minus x into 3y plus 3 plus y minus 1 equivalent to 0. Is it clear? So ax square plus bx plus c equivalent to 0. X is a real number. Discriminant greater than or equivalent to 0. 3y plus 3 whole square minus 4 into y minus 1 whole square greater than or equivalent to 0. 9 into y plus 1 whole square minus 4. You solve it, you will get an equation. I hope the idea is clear. Right? All the problems are based on discriminant greater than or equivalent to 0. Now it is y equivalent to 5x square minus 4x plus 8 divided by x square plus 1. Cross multiply x square y plus y equivalent to 5x square minus 4x plus 8 x square into y minus 5. This is nothing but plus 4x plus y minus 8 equivalent to 0. This is ax square plus bx plus c equivalent to 0. Discriminant greater than or equivalent to 0. I hope it is clear. 16 minus 4 into y minus 5, y minus 8 greater than or equivalent to 0. 4 if I take common, 4 minus of y minus 5, y minus 8 greater than or equivalent to 0. This is for a real number. I hope the idea is clear. Find the range of real values of x. X square minus 4x plus 9y plus 3 equivalent to 0. X square minus 4x plus 9y plus 3 equivalent to 0. Right? Real values. Discriminant greater than or equivalent to 0. B square minus 4 into AC greater than or equivalent to 0. 67 minus 36y minus 12 greater than or equivalent to 0. 4 greater than or equivalent to 36y. 36y less than or equivalent to 4. Y less than or equivalent to 1 by 9. Idea clear? All are based on range only, sir. If it is 4y square plus 4x into y plus x plus 6 equivalent to 0. This is of the form ay square plus by plus c equivalent to 0. Y is real. Discriminant greater than or equivalent to 0. 4x whole square minus 4 into x plus 6 greater than or equivalent to 0. X square minus x minus 6 greater than or equivalent to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 greater than or equivalent to 0. X plus 2 into x minus 3 greater than or equivalent to 0. X is less than or equivalent to lesser value, or x is greater than or equivalent to greater value. Idea clear, right? All are based upon. These also we solved. These also we solved. These also just now we have done it. Now see here. These also we solved it. Right. Now if you see, this is number of real roots. It is a cat original question, sir. A square by x plus b square by x minus 1 equivalent to 1. A square into x minus 1 plus b square into x equivalent to x into x minus 1. This is nothing but a square plus b square into x, am I right? Minus a square equivalent to x square minus x. This is nothing but x square minus of a square plus b square into x minus x plus a square equivalent to 0. Are you all with me? So this is nothing but x square minus of a square plus b square minus 1 plus 1 into x plus a square equivalent to 0. A square equivalent to 0. I hope it is clear. A square into x minus 1, b square into x equivalent to x into x minus 1. A square plus b square into x minus a square equivalent to x square minus x. X square minus of a square plus b square into x plus a square minus x. This is square, this is square, this is square. Take some random values. A square equivalent to 4, b square equivalent to 9, x square minus 14x plus 4 equivalent to 0. D is greater than 0. D is greater than 0. So I got two distinct roots. You don't need to go out and do any values. A square and b square, a and b are any real numbers. Or here only directly you can take a square equivalent to 4, b square equivalent to 9. Directly substitute in the equation and check whether the D is greater than 0 or not. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Let me search for any other questions which is of this one. Let us solve this question. There is a quadratic expression, a maximum value if y is ax square plus bx plus c. If he is giving a maximum, that means a is less than 0. First point. And x equivalent to 1, f of 1 equivalent to 3. That means a plus b plus c is nothing but 3. The value of the quadratic expression at x equivalent to 0 is 1. F of 0 is 1. That means c is 1. That means a plus b equivalent to 2. A plus b equivalent to 2. Y maximum will happen at x equivalent to minus b by 2a. Minus b by 2a, the value is given as 1. Minus b is nothing but 2a. B is nothing but minus 2a. A minus 2a is nothing but 2. Minus a is nothing but 2. A is minus 2. If a is minus 2, b will be 4. What will be the equation? Equation is nothing but, it is an original CAT question, sir. Minus 2x square plus 4x plus 1. At x equivalent to 10, if I substitute 10, minus 2 into 10 square plus 41 minus 159. Answer for this question is minus 159. I hope it is clear. Right, one by one, all are basic concepts. What we did in the last 1.5 hours, maxima and minima of a quadratic expression. A is greater than 0, y minimum will happen. A is less than 0, y maximum will happen. Value is minus b by 2a, y value is minus d by 4a. Still we have a plenty of other questions to discuss, right? Still we will discuss some more questions tomorrow at morning. 10 o'clock we will come again and we will discuss. Come again and we will discuss. I hope the idea is clear. Today we have completed 6 hours of non-stop marathon classes. Tomorrow also we will try to cover. Let us make every day count. Let us make every minute count. I am very serious about my profession or my job or my passion. Are you serious being a learner? Ask yourself this question. I would like to see each one of you at morning 10 o'clock tomorrow. Happy night. Khudafiz. Allah Hafiz. You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free. ANC. You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free. ANC.